Hello and welcome to Excel video 263. I've been helping a group this morning pull information out of their PM system to track schedule changes to better use the time in their OR and their block time in their ASC. When you're ready to pull information out of your PM and better run your practice, I'd love to help you. The past couple of videos we've talked about sorting, and remember the most important thing of the whole sorting transaction is to make sure you get all the data before you sort. I want to show you what I think is a faster, easier way to sort, and it's new in 2007, or new and improved enough to make you want to use it in 2007. How's that? And even better in 2010. And what I'm talking about is from the Home tab. If any place inside this table, if I click Format as a Table, and I'm just going to pick this first blue medium style here, and Excel's smart enough to look at my data and say, hey, there's a blank stuff going after column I, there's blank rows going after row 101, so it can find my data for me because my data doesn't have a lot of blank spots in it. And I'm going to check the box like we did in the past Excel video to make sure it knows my table has headers, and I'll click OK. Now what I have is a drop-down heading at the top of every one of my columns. So if I want to sort largest to smallest balance, no problem. If I want to put all of my over 120 days on top, we can sort it Z to A, and there's all the over 120 days on top. Very easy to sort back and forth one way or the other. Now you'll notice that this is, because I sorted here and then here, that I've got my over 120 days, and then my 91 days starts over again, and the sorting kind of carries over, but it's not perfect to sort from one column to the other. If you want to sort by multiple columns, the beauty of the table is not only did it make this whole sorting process easier, I haven't selected anything, and I can easily sort A to Z here. No, I'll sort oldest to newest here. I can easily do my custom sort again. I've got the very same menu and the very same options. I can sort by who it's due from, add a level, and sort balance, Z to A, and I'm done. The big difference with tables is, number one, I didn't have to do that big select to make sure I had all my rows. I don't have to worry about scrambling data. Inside a table, Excel's smart enough to know that I've got the entire group, and when I want to sort by one column, I'm going to sort by all of my table. The other thing that's very helpful with tables is I don't just have sorting options here. I have filtering options, and I have a bunch of other options. There's my sort by color thing. I can do custom sort. I can do a bunch of things inside a table. And I've also got a bunch of formatting advantages of the table. See how every other line is shaded? It just makes it look so much easier to manage and so much more professionally done than what we had before. So I didn't want to leave our discussion about sorting before I mentioned tables. I cover a bunch of information on tables, starting in Excel video 30. It goes up to about Excel video 43. And if you haven't played with tables and you're learning to sort, you ought to learn both at the same time and play with tables and sorting. And the way to do it is from the Home tab and Format as a Table. And once you've got it there, then your drop-down menus will let you sort the rest of the way. I hope that was helpful for you. We're going to come back and talk a little bit about filtering and filtering in tables, and we'll do that next time. Thanks for watching.